Being an IG baddie.
Oh, what?
What's pop roller game family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You hear me? Alright, y'all. Me and Lily are going to do brunch.
Yep.
What's your your outfit of the day?
Well, I got the off-white Nikes on. And just a great jogging suit from Ben. I think her name Brittany.
Oh, Ben, yeah.
Yeah, Ben. On Instagram.
Her body look crazy.
Thanks, baby.
We waiting on the Uber. Hold on, let me see what I'm show y'all what I'm doing. I'm wearing some Land sneakers with Citizens of Heaven jogging suit. It's a full jogging suit. It's a black owned designer too. Just like Ben. It say something on the back. What this on the back? Here.
Our citizenship lies in heaven.
Yeah. I guess it's a holy clothing brand.
Is that the clothing brand you had on yesterday too?
Yeah, with that jacket. Yeah. With that jacket over there. So we about to go do brunch. Brunch at this place called Toasted Lenox. It's popping. I heard you gotta have reservations, all that stuff. So that's what we about to go do. So we waiting on the quarter to come pick up, and then her to take her little pictures, and then we gon' rollie. Good morning. We at the Toasted Lenox, drinking some mimosas. I got a peach mimosa.
I got a strawberry.
She got a strawberry mimosa. Now they menu so crazy here. Like they got some really good Southern cuisine here. This place is actually popping, man. So if you ever come to Atlanta, come to Toasted Lenox. Like it's a really beautiful place. They be packed too. I'm about to put up a little TikTok in a second. Follow me on TikTok, Memories by TV. But yeah, shout out to Toast on Lenox. Alright, y'all, so this is what we starting off with, the Cajun seafood dip with the bread, again some mimosas, and then we gonna go to the main entree. But yeah, we gotta see how this tastes. You wanna go first? Ooh, is that cheese on the top of that? You gotta mix that up. It look good though. Yummy. It's good.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We got a winner.
Bottomless Bellini's afternoon.
Our food came, the main entree came. Lily got
The lobster and sweet potato waffle.
that look real good, real waffly. And then I got salmon croquettes with grits, biscuit, and potatoes.
Son, girls twerking on it.
Yum. Do it taste like the chili pepper? What you get Toasted Lenox so far?
I give them a 10. Yeah, I give them a 10.
Shout out to Toaster Lenox. You get a 10 from Lily. You killed that. It's good too, man. But it's like in St. Louis, like I'm sure it's people that know how to make salmon croquettes, but the way they make theirs down here, even though it ain't big, man, this stuff is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Toast, Lenox, it definitely get 10 out of 10 for me. Service good, food good, the vibe is chill and relaxed. Like, this is a dope little brunch. It's a dope little brunch, man. Dope little brunch for sure, for sure. You want some? Here you go. I'm about to eat my food and then we about to get out of here, go to the mall so she can do a little shopping. And we're gonna see where the rest of this vlog go today. Bro.
Leave them girls alone, you the owner, what you own.
I did not see this coming in a million years. I did not see this coming.
All right, y'all. So Lily surprised me today. She buying me a MacBook Pro, 16-inch, the newest one. I'm in shock. Like I'm in shock. Can't believe this, man. Thank you so much. Bruh, I got the dopest Christmas gift in the world, man. So this was a surprise?
Yeah. I already called.
You called?
I already called.
Her?
Yeah. But you gotta act like you don't know what's going on. I already called. They already said they had it.
Damn. Damn, okay.
Yeah.
I'm thinking I'm sitting there. Wow. Thank you. I love you. I appreciate this. This is wow. Thank you. I'm speechless, y'all. Like,
You deserve this.
what? Like, this new MacBook just came out, man. I've been wanting this so bad, but wow. Wow.
Remember you picked Diamond and said, that's the goal.
What?
She said, is this the one you getting? And you said, that's the goal.
Yeah.
Yeah. You didn't see through none of that.
No, I didn't at all.
You did.
You surprised the hell out of me.
Yeah. I'm happy you happy.
This song is so hard.
No.
Support reach.
I'm trying to see what's standing, bro. Came through a spinner, now right next day at your house.
Alright, y'all. I don't think y'all know how excited I am right now, man. Like, last year for Christmas, I got a keychain. A little keychain. I got a keychain for Christmas. Like, dead ass. Last year, I got a keychain for Christmas. This year, I got a MacBook Pro. 2021 MacBook Pro. Like, this mug just dropped, and Lily got this for me. Like, I was so surprised and so shocked. Like, we gotta do an unboxing. Like, I was so surprised, I was so shocked. This is the 16-inch MacBook Pro, 1 terabyte, M1 chip. Oh my God. My videos are gonna be so much better after this. After learning how to use this, edit this, just like I got a straight MacBook Pro. Before I had this MacBook. It's a tiny one, like, you know. But I was grateful for that. But this one right here, like, this is an upgrade, man. Like, this trip was more so for me bringing Lily here. She never been to Atlanta, so I wanted to do something dope and special for her. But it turned around, like I got the Christmas gift that I was gonna get myself, but she beat me to it, man. And I'm grateful, I'm thankful. Like, this is crazy, y'all. This is crazy. I got a MacBook Pro.
Later that night.
What she do best? Being an IG baddie.
Oh, what?
Taking pictures. But yeah. Me and Lily, we on our way to dinner, man. We straight wearing the same color too. That's crazy. I didn't even know she was wearing it. We on our way to dinner. A dope dinner at this place called Steak Market in down here in Atlanta. So I'm about to call the Uber and we about to get the rolling. Rolly.
You guys have reservations or just walking? Reservations. The host is right here on your left hand side. Okay? You guys have a joy.
All of our gold steaks. These steaks come wrapped in 24 karat leaf, but keep in mind you can still wrap any of these steaks in gold if you want to.
Spread the love.
All right, y'all, we just leaving dinner. How was dinner?
It was great.
She's freezing.
Seasoning, lamb chops, macaroni and cheese, everything was very good.
Really expensive, but it was good.
Woo! Yes, but it was good.
Was it worth it?
It was worth it.
The experience?
The experience was worth it.
Yeah.